Let me show you how to glow anything or glow any objects in Photoshop. First, select the pen tool and choose the path. Make sure the overlapping shapes is chosen. And select the disco ball. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Press Ctrl-Enter to new selection. Go to the Layer panel. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy of layer. Go to the filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Change the blend mode of the layer 1 copy to screen. Go to the filter, blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 5 pixels. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filters. Increase the radius to 150 pixels. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filters. Increase the radius to 300 pixels. Select the 4 layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl-G to group several layers into a folder group. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and the Choose Hue and Saturation. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. And check the Colorize box. Decrease the hue to 35. And increase the saturation to 95. When you're done, close the Properties panel. Select the background layer. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose the exposure. And just copy these settings. Once you're satisfied, close the Properties panel. Select the Brush tool. Click to open the brush picker and choose the soft round brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 10%. Click the foreground color and choose the black color. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And paint with black in brightest areas where to show the light effect. I will speed this part up to save your time. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy of Hue and Saturation layer. Move the Hue Saturation layer below Group Layer. Press Ctrl-I to invert the layer mask. Click the foreground color and choose the white. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And paint with white in bright areas where to show the glow effect. I will speed this part up to save your time. Select the top layer. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose the selective color. From the drop-down, select the reds, yellows, and neutrals to adjust the colors to your preference. Once you're satisfied, close the Properties panel. Here's the before, here's the after. And this is the result.